Welcome back to Garden Terminology Tuesday.
Do you like my shirt?
Agriculture. But what does that word really mean? Let's break it down. Today we're diving right into the heart of our own civilization. At its core, agriculture is a fusion of two Latin words, agra meaning land, and cultura meaning cultivation. Essentially, it's about the art and science of cultivating the land for food, fiber, various other products. Our ancestors transitioned from these nomadic lifestyles to more settled communities thanks to the ability to grow and harvest crops. So you could say agriculture laid the foundation for the rise of civilizations and development of societies. But it's not just about growing crops. It sort of encompasses this wide range of activities. I mean, it includes livestock farming, forestry, fisheries. It's all about managing the land and its resources to meet the needs of a growing population. Just in the 21st century alone, agriculture has gone under many transformations. From traditional farming methods to cutting-edge technologies, we've kind of witnessed this revolution in how we produce food. There's different precision farming methods to genetic engineering, and sustainable practices. They're sort of shaping the future of what agriculture is. However, with progress comes challenges. One of the biggest issues I see in agriculture is resource depletion. Did you think I was going to say climate change? No. But there are ways for sustainable solutions to ensure a thriving future. Enter regenerative agriculture. Unlike conventional farming, which sometimes can deplete the soil and harm the environment, depending on what you're doing, regenerative agriculture practices focus on restoring and improving the health of the land. So this involves techniques like cover cropping, crop rotation, and integrating livestock to promote biodiversity and enrich the soil. Your soil is alive. Regenerative agriculture not only benefits the environment, but also enhances the resilience of the farm. It helps sequester the carbon, mitigate climate issues. Farmers that are adopting regenerative practices often report increased yields and long-term sustainability, which is what we want. However, again, transitioning to regenerative practices isn't without its challenges. It requires a shift in mindset and a willingness to adopt new methods. That can be hard for some older generation farmers. But there are so many opportunities to be more sustainable with regenerative agriculture. So, the next time you see a vast field of crops or a herd of cattle, remember that you're witnessing the essence of agriculture. And as we look towards the future, the principles of regenerative agriculture may lead the way. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay curious.